Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids and I set them. I also did the bottom of my eyebrow because it's just the way I like to do it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing my eyeshadow. For this look, I'm only going to be using the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia. Let's go ahead and get started. First color that I'm going to be using, it's going to be burnt orange on a fluffy brush like this one. This one I am not sure where I got it from because the name is rubbed off. Crease, this is going to be our transition color for the darker colors that are going to be coming later. The next color I'm going to be adding is Raga right here. I'm going to be adding that right below burnt orange. I'm also going to be using the brush that the palette came with. For the last shade, I'm going to be using this dark brown right here and putting it all over our lid. I'm going to be using this Royal and Langnickel crease slash smudge brush. And I'm going to be using the smudge side to pack it on the lid. I'm going to use the same Anastasia brush to blend it out. I really want this brown to be intense, but not as intense as black. So that's another clean brush and blend out the edges. Make sure there's no harsh lines. We don't want that here. So for liner, I'm just gonna do a line. I'm not gonna do a wing liner because I feel like that's going to take away from the look. I'm going to be using the Jafra liner, inkwell eyeliner, and black, obviously. For the outer corner, I'm going to be bringing it up a little bit just because I feel like my eyes droop down a little and I do not like that. Lashes, I don't know what style they are, but I just know that I got them from my from a beauty supply store. For the edge of my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup and I will be right back to finish. So I'm back and I'm going to finish my lower lash line. Go in with the orange, and with a fluffier brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend those two. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. For my waterline, I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lolita. And now the only thing that I have left to do is finish my eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna spray my face again. So this is a finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment. I will be linking or putting every product I use down below, and let me know if you guys want a face routine, like a foundation routine, so I can get that done for you guys. Bye.